I was a new mother when I started this journey as a freelance content writer. So I had my own challenges, whether it is physical or mental issues. First challenge was it was very difficult to get job as a beginner content writer, right? And I had to reach out to so many recruiters and I have provided so many samples to get selected. अभी मिल भी रहा है तो भी it was low paying one. एंड मैंने 0.10 ppw से 0.25 ppw में भी मैंने वर्क किया है at a starting point. It was very difficult to understand the format, tones, working style of each client. I didn't get payment on time. I used to wait a lot. And then I realized you need to ask, constantly ask for your salary. Reworks were the most common issues. Yes, you need to do reworks to meet up the client's expectation, but the rework should not exceed more than 3 times. Other main challenge I faced was some clients had their own expectation that are set in their mind and they didn't even bother to read the content I gave. They just state that it is paraphrased or it sound robotic or it is AI written. I had to work constantly day and night to meet up the deadline. But I don't regret it because I had to meet the end, right? So it was worth it.